Ian?
I'll give them to Kenzie.
Yeah, but you and
Hi.
Kenzie do everything.
Okay.
This is group number three. Adopting Mr. McLeod's Room by Jack, Bella, Kenzie, and Ian.
Yeah.
Question number 1. What was the intention of our project? The
Um,
intention of the project was technically to, when people walk into a room, to feel like they matter.
Yeah.
Have it be welcoming.
Yeah.
Right, Jack?
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Question 2.
was this project successful? Why or why not?
Well, I kind of think the project was.
In a way, it had an impact.
It was somewhat successul,
But-
but mainly not because
It didn't pop as much.
we didn't
As
have,
we hoped it would and expected it to.
and
Yeah.
we didn't really put that much effort into it. So, yeah.
Yeah. And like we were planning on having every kid from every class come in and sign it, but we never really
That didn't work out very well.
got to that point. Jack, what do you think?
Yeah, we really didn't, we didn't have enough people to, like, sign the poster that we made in
At Impact.
Impact.
We only really had like just this class.
And with limited materials, we didn't get to as much as we wanted, but we think we did everything we could, and we thought it turned out pretty well.
I think we could have done more. but-
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I like that truth. Keep going with that. That's the truth.
Okay, so now,
question 4. What would you do differently?
it was question 3.
Oh, question 3.
Question 3.
Did you contribute or have a
Did
positive?
your contribution have a positive or a negative impact? Why or why
Our
not?
contribution.
Well, we didn't really do much of it, so we couldn't really have a contribution, positive or negative. But the poster that we made, we didn't get everybody to sign it, but I think it had a positive contribution.
Well, I think that some people noticed it, but like not as many saw it because it wasn't as great as we expected it to be.
We're hoping to expand it some way, somehow.
Like, put posters up in public, be outside of the school,
No.
rather
Well,
than just inside.
No, what we wanted.
We were going to expand our original poster to make it a lot bigger and see if everyone in the school
Yeah.
could participate. But we're not sure if that's going to happen. But, we're getting there.
Okay,
Question 4.
what would you do differently? Effort and achievement. Where did you fail?
I think we should have put like a lot of more effort into it, because sometimes we would just like
Get off track. Distracted
go off
sometimes.
topic and stuff.
And we got some crazy ideas that we
Weren't
didn't have
possible.
time to
Yeah.
work on.
And they weren't realistic.
And we had higher expectations of ourselves that we didn't really,
Achieve. And we hope that we could have done something way bigger, but couldn't really do that. Jack, you have anything to add?
No.
Nothing else?
Okay. Question 5. How would you approach the project differently?
So we probably should have done a more realistic idea. Like that would be
Make something
Well,
that would be
at
more
first
easy
we
to,
not
like,
easier, but
well, not easier,
more
but still
realistic.
be able to be, like, noticeable
Challenging,
and
yeah.
something that would be more of a challenge than what we already made, which was pretty easy, like making a poster and having people sign it.
We needed to push ourselves,
And
and we didn't really get to a lot of the challenge. Okay, let's just move on. Okay, question 6. If you had the opportunity to do it all over again, what advice would you pass on to people who may want to do this project in the future? Challenge yourselves and make it bigger, and don't have higher expectations of yourselves than you know you don't have.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, it's always all right to challenge yourself to go higher, though.
Yes.
If you have to gain, just be knowing that you have to gain the skill or whatever the other level is.
Yeah. So, you can challenge yourself. which is always good. Make it big and bold and try to have an impact in everything that you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
that's our reflection.
Mm.
Bye.